Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video is even now stocks are available at good valuations. In the last 5 trading sessions, Nifty 50 index has rallied by around 8%. With this, Nifty 50 index is just 7.8% away from its lifetime high. Also, Nifty 50 index has closed above its 200 DMA for the first time since 3rd January 2025. This is a very good sign. In spite of this market rally, the majority of the companies in the BSE 500 index continue to trade below its 3-year and 5-year average of PE ratio. Observe the following data and you will get many insights. Economic Times newspaper has compiled the following data. Percentage of companies with low valuation. The BSE 500 index percentage of stocks with PE ratio below 3-year average is 56%. Percentage of stocks with PE ratio below 5-year average 53%. That is the full index. Now different sectors. Auto and ancillary sector 70% are trading below 3-year average and 73.3% of the stocks are trading below 5-year average of PE ratio. Capital goods sector 69.4% of the stocks are below the 3-year average of the PE ratio and below the 5-year average 38.9%. Cement 46.2, 38.5%. Chemicals 50% and 53.8% are trading below the 3 and 5-year average respectively. FMCG sector 70.8% of the stocks are trading with PE ratio below the 3-year average and 62.5 trading below the 5-year average. IT sector 68.8 below the 3-year average and 65.6 below the 5-year average. Metals and mining sector stocks 39.1 are below the 3-year average and below the 5-year average also 39.1. Pharma stocks 45.5% are trading below 3-year average and 39.4 trading below the 5-year average. In many sectors, the valuation of stocks is extremely low compared to 3-year and 5-year PE ratio average. For example, in IT, FMCG, capital goods sector, almost 70% of stocks are below the 3 and 5-year average. The following statistics displays the valuation of different stocks based on market cap. Large cap stocks, percentage of stocks with PE ratio below 3-year average 53% and percentage of stocks with PE ratio below 5-year average 52%. Mid cap 55% are Mid cap 55% of stocks are below 3-year average and 51% below the 5-year average. Small cap stocks 64% below the 3-year average and 64% below the 5-year average. For this calculation, Economic Times has considered large cap as market cap of 50,000 crores or more, mid cap as 10,000 crores to 50,000 crores and small cap as below 10,000 crores. So even based on market cap, it looks like 50 to 65% of stocks are trading below the 3 and 5-year average PE ratio. For mid and small cap stocks, it may take longer to reach their previous high valuations. It may be easier for Nifty 50 stocks to reach higher valuations since they have fallen lesser than the mid and small cap stocks. As per data, although indices may be closer to their lifetime high, many individual stocks are still trading at relatively lower valuations. It is our job to identify some of these stocks for lump sum or SIP or select good mutual funds to take benefit of the lower valuations. Many people who had panicked and stopped their regular investments in stocks or mutual funds during the last few months will regret after some time since they will realize that it was correct to just continue investing rather than trying to time the market. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section NIIT Technologies changed its name to what in 2020. You have to mention the name of the company now as on today. A. Persistent Technologies, B. Sonata Software, C. Coforge, D. Scient. Mention your guess or your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. All the best.